needs a contextually anchored new model to anticipate innovation is an African integrated sustainable development innovation system. There's a need to undertake a rethinking and reinvention of innovation and development from the current pattern to the transformative new synthesis by taking the challenge Africa faces to discover how the problems will be resolved by creating innovative, developed, well-being anchored Africa to serve above all the people and nature together. So reimagine Africa with Ubuntu, embedding a total innovation learning culture, transforming Africa through knowledge, learning, innovation, competence building, establishing a Pan-African innovation system by learning and building from the past innovations, and indigenous knowledge, using the rich values of Africa, Ubuntu, math, to use Africa-centered indigenous knowledge, innovation without transgressing social and ecological health. So learn to find unity pathways by teaching each other with Ubuntu how to share. And it is true with Africa unity, we can make each other how to care by prioritizing Africa and all African people above all, more than one another, oneself or one another. We need to change ourselves. Let us do the unity by appreciating difference, learn to find the unity pathways by teaching each other with Ubuntu how to share. And it is true with Africa unity, we can make each other how to care by prioritizing Africa and all African people above all, more than oneself or another. So all Africans put our beloved Africa first. To acknowledge to put Africa first is to put humanity first. The world is still divided by implicit or explicit classifications of inferiority and superiority. Africans have yet removed coloniality. They still prefer to look and affirm each other by mimicking externality. Africans must treat one another as one human family, practice Ubuntu truly, as you are me and me is you really, as no African is a stranger to another African. So not call some Africans as relatives and others as aliens. Africophilia must replace all the divisive forms that turn the African one family as the strangers. Let us learn how to care and share with full collaboration and trust, knowing how to agree even when we disagree without any conflict and fight. Apply the relativity of African unity by removing ever the gravity burden of disunity and conflict. Unity is essential, never again for Africa to fall behind. Africa uniting is colonial divide and rule ending, and truly humanity as a whole and everywhere benefiting. With Ubuntu, all Africans coming together, showing the necessary to recognize full equality, to build with the cherished philosophy of Ubuntu, one in all and all in one, all Africans as one family and humanity. Let's all choose with Ubuntu the pathways to create, invent, innovate, and value the health, wealth for the people above all. Anasaginado, thank you. Asante sana. Thanks.